Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Ethereum from Uphold to Exmo in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your ETH securely and efficiently. With the crypto world evolving fast, it's crucial to stay updated, so let's get right into it. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Exmo. Start by opening the Uphold app or website and logging in with your credentials. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication yet, do it now. It's a game changer for security in 2025's digital landscape. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet section and select Ethereum. You'll see your ETH balance there. Now, look for the Withdraw or Send button. It's usually right next to your balance. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Next, you'll need to input the Exmo wallet address where you want to send your Ethereum. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount of ETH you want to withdraw, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. After that, review the transaction summary. This will show you the estimated fees and final amount. If everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You might need to verify this through an email or your two-factor auth app, always a smart safety step. Once confirmed, sit tight. Ethereum withdrawals typically take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions. Head over to your Exmo account and check your wallet to see when the funds arrive. And voila, you've successfully withdrawn your ETH. A quick tip. Always monitor for any regulatory changes in 2025, as crypto rules might affect withdrawals. If you run into issues, reach out to Uphold or Exmo support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.